Here's the Roland V1 HD. This is the switcher that I mentioned in a previous video where switchers with multicam out, multiple inputs, were usually pretty expensive. This is under $1,000. And I've rented this. I have two inputs right now, HDMI inputs. I have the Panasonic FZ2500 and the GH5. They seem to match together well. Here's a small HD monitor. I think this is a 502. And this is the small HD 701 Lite HDMI inputs. Now what you're seeing here is a multicam view. This is the two angles on one little screen. I'm preparing for a location shoot where I got to go on an airplane and it's multicam. I'm going to have more than two cameras. I'm going to have 3, possibly 4 cameras. And I need to be mobile, I need to be portable, and this is only going to be for the director. This one's going to be my monitor for my main camera, and then the other cameras are going to be cameras I put on tripods and lock down and don't really operate, but I would like to see the angles as well. And with this switcher, the benefit of this one compared to in my previous video I did a consumer switcher that's meant for televisions, this one has 0 latency. So when you have an interview and they're talking, the mouth is in sync with the video. There might be a very slight delay, but it's not as bad, not nearly as bad as the consumer one that I used, that I experimented with. So with these HDMI inputs, I can go as far as an HDMI can stretch, but portability wise, I'm only going to be about 15 feet. Maybe with a coupler, I'll be 30 feet away. I'm going to be in a small room, and it's not going to be that huge of a venue. And I'm actually powering these two small HD monitors with a V-mount battery with D-tap to the E6 Canon batteries, which is what these monitors take. So this one V-mount is powering both monitors with the D-taps, so I can have a longer run time instead of going through a dozen of these Canon batteries throughout a day. I think this will last at least until lunch, so 5, 6 hours, I hope, powering 2 devices. And I'm not going to keep it on continuously. During the breaks I'll turn it off. But V-mount battery, this one is a Blue Shape, that's the brand. And there you go, this is my setup that I'm going to take with to travel. So I'm going to have multicam. All of this fits in my carry-on luggage. It doesn't weigh a lot compared to what productions normally would bring, which is huge, heavy monitors. HD SDI, you wouldn't have HDMI. It's a big hassle, or you do wireless. But this right here fits in a carry-on, and I could do multicam. Cool.